Welcome to the video overview of your final assignment, assignment number 9, the technical presentation. Throughout this course, you have learned about and produced many different forms of technical writing, and as you continue in your career field, you will learn about more types of technical writing in your area of expertise, like charting, writing estimates, or creating an incident report. One common type of technical writing across careers, though, is creating slides and delivering presentations to deliver information to a specific audience within a specific time frame. For your final assignment, you will create a slide presentation and then deliver an oral presentation using your slides. For this module, you should complete the following: review the information in the instructional content folder and complete the technical presentation and discussion board. Your task. For your final assignment, you will create a slide presentation and then deliver an oral presentation, a speech, using your slides. The technical presentation is based on the content in assignment number 8, the technical research report. This assignment is worth 100 points. Your process. This assignment involves the following steps. Step 1, review the instructional materials for this assignment. Step 2, review the rubric for the technical presentation. Step 3, draft your slide presentation and post it to the discussion board. Step 4, evaluate the slide presentations, just the slides, not the speech, of at least 2 other students using the technical presentation peer evaluation checklist and post your evaluation to the discussion board. Step 5, revise your slide presentation based on the evaluations of your classmates. Step 6, outline or create note cards for your oral presentation. Step 7, practice your oral presentation. Step 8, record and post your speech with your visual aid to the discussion board. Step 9, review your instructor's feedback. The format. Your oral presentation will be 6 to 8 minutes in length. You will submit both the slide presentation and a video recording of your oral presentation. In the video recording of your oral presentation, your slide presentation must be visible. There are multiple options for your slides, including PowerPoint, Google Slides, or web services like Prezi. You also have multiple options for recording your oral presentation, like Screencast-O-Matic, Loom, or Zoom. You may choose to upload your oral presentation to YouTube for ease in link sharing. You can use your Delaware Tech Community College username and password to log into YouTube. Just be sure you list your video as public or unlisted in order for the link sharing to work. The requirements for the oral presentation. Please understand that each section of the oral presentation may be multiple slides in your slide presentation. For your introduction, make sure you have a hook to get your reader interested, and there's a video right here that is linked that you can watch. Introduce yourself. Describe the problem, the issue, and what its impact is on the audience. Describe the purpose of your research and end your introduction with a preview statement. The body of your oral presentation should describe the three solutions to your problem and summarize your primary and secondary research. Make sure you use transitions between concepts, and as you incorporate graphics or illustrations, make sure it's explained how those graphics, illustrations, or graphs from your primary research link to your content. For your conclusion, make sure you signal your conclusion with some sort of transition, summarize your recommendations, and then be sure you end your presentation with your references. And this can simply be a slide at the end, but you don't need to read them in your speech. Your point of view should be first and third person point of view as appropriate. You may want to make sure you review the Delivering Effective Technical Presentation learning materials again, and then you will click the submission link in order to submit your slides and the video recording. Under the Assignment Details webpage, you will see the peer evaluation discussion board and the checklist that you will use to evaluate your classmates, and then a separate discussion board for submitting the presentation itself. Please make sure you use the proper discussion board, one for the peer evaluation and then the other for the presentation itself. As always, please contact your instructor if you have any specific questions about this assignment. Thank you, and I hope you've enjoyed all of your research this semester.